Effortless lawn care just got easier. The best lawn robot, no-wire designs deliver precise mowing without messy boundaries, navigating your yard seamlessly while saving time and energy. Perfect for busy homeowners who want a pristine, hands-free lawn. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. ANTHBOT Genie 600 Lawn Robot No Wire. The ANTHBOT Genie 600 Lawn Robot No Wire is a true game-changer for homeowners seeking a hands-free mowing solution. Equipped with the advanced RTK plus 4-eye vision positioning system, it ensures highly accurate navigation, even in areas where GPS signals are weak, such as under dense trees, eaves, or near buildings. This dual positioning technology allows the mower to handle complex lawns with precision, delivering consistent, professional quality results. One of the standout features of the Genie 600 is its completely wire-free design. Its battery life supports extended mowing sessions, making it suitable for medium to large lawns. With a focus on usability, this mower is ideal for both seasoned users and first-time robotic mower owners, providing an intuitive, efficient, and entirely cable-free mowing experience. The combination of high-tech navigation, effortless setup, and accurate mowing makes the ANTHBOT Genie 600 a top choice for anyone looking to maintain a pristine lawn with minimal effort.
Number 2. Mammotion LUBA Lawn Robot No Wire. The Mammotion LUBA Lawn Robot No Wire stands out for its impressive off-road capabilities and intelligent design. Engineered to handle rough terrain, steep slopes, potholes, and tall or thick grass, it excels in conditions where many robotic mowers struggle. The adaptive suspension system and zero-turn omni-wheel design allow LUBA to navigate obstacles and maintain smooth, efficient mowing even in wet or uneven environments, garden furniture, pets, or small decorative items. This reduces the need for constant supervision while protecting property and greenery. The combination of smart technology, robust construction, and versatile performance makes the LUBA mower particularly suited for challenging landscapes where reliability and precision are essential. Homeowners seeking a mower that adapts to diverse conditions and delivers consistently neat results will find the Mammotion LUBA an outstanding choice. Its blend of efficiency, intelligence, and terrain handling ability positions it as one of the best wire-free robotic mowers on the market.
Number 3. ECOVACS GOAT Lawn Robot No Wire. The ECOVACS GOAT 01000 Lawn Robot No Wire combines advanced AI navigation with fully automated lawn mapping, offering a hassle-free mowing experience. Unlike traditional robotic mowers, it requires no perimeter wires or complicated setups. Its AI-driven mapping system scans the lawn, identifies boundaries, and generates optimal mowing routes for efficient coverage. The robot's true-edge consistent edge-cutting technology ensures precise edge-to-edge mowing, eliminating the need for additional trimming. Precision cutting and automated obstacle management reduces the need for supervision, making lawn maintenance effortless. Additionally, the mower's robust design and reliable technology handle a variety of lawn types and conditions, providing consistent results throughout the season. For those who want a fully autonomous, wire-free mowing solution that delivers a perfectly maintained lawn with minimal intervention, the ECOVACS GOAT 01000 is a standout choice. Its focus on safety, efficiency, and intelligent operation positions it as one of the most advanced robotic lawnmowers currently available.
Number 4. YARDCARE M800 Plus Lawn Robot No Wire. The YARDCARE M800 Plus Lawn Robot No Wire offers a modern, wire-free approach to lawn maintenance, combining AI-powered vision navigation with flexible mowing patterns. Its high-definition camera distinguishes grass from non-grass areas, eliminating the need for perimeter wires and complicated setups. This allows users to start mowing immediately with minimal preparation. The mower offers two complementary mowing modes,
orderly row mowing for 60 minutes, and random gap filling for 40 minutes. After completing each session, it automatically returns to its charging station, making it ideal for lawns up to 8,611 square feet. The M800 Plus is particularly well suited for homeowners who want a set-it-and-forget-it solution that adapts to their lawn's unique layout and challenges. By combining smart AI navigation, wire-free operation, and advanced obstacle avoidance, the YARDCARE M800 Plus delivers a consistent, professional-quality lawn without requiring manual intervention or constant supervision. Its blend of technology, ease of use, and reliability makes it an excellent choice for anyone seeking efficient, fully autonomous lawn care.
Number 5. YARDCARE V100 Lawn Robot No Wire. The YARDCARE V100 Lawn Robot No Wire is a compact, highly intelligent robotic mower designed to simplify lawn care while eliminating the need for perimeter wires. Using an integrated bumper sensor, visual sensor, and AI technology, it identifies grass versus non-grass areas and detects up to 150 obstacles, navigating efficiently around your lawn. The included 32-foot magnetic strip allows you to create customizable no-go zones, protecting flower beds, pools, pathways, or play areas without digging or power connections. The V100 operates quietly, enabling mowing at any time without disturbing neighbors. Its intelligent visual navigation and adaptive obstacle management ensure a consistently neat and uniform lawn, while the time-saving, fully autonomous operation reduces the need for manual supervision. For homeowners seeking a reliable, wire-free robotic mower that balances safety, precision, and convenience, the YARDCARE V100 delivers professional-grade results with minimal effort. Its smart features, ease of use, and thorough lawn coverage make it an excellent choice for modern, low-maintenance garden care.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.